This upscale and modern design highlights the realistic wood-burning effect and dancing flames. This unit is lightweight, and installation is both easy and convenient, safe to hang or insert on all wall types, and is a great high-tech heating solution for any space, perfect for your guest room, basement, garage, apartment, office, or motorhome. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Features. A quiet, front fan forced heater has times and easy-to-adjust digital settings for even heat distribution. Enjoy the warm glow of the flames all year with the no heat option. Or, use included quartz crystals for a different look. Safety protection includes automatic shutoff to prevent overheating. Unit is ventless, odorless, and smokeless, safe for the elderly, kids, and pets. Number 2. Decoration. This model is similar to a flat screen and features 9 interchangeable colors because all exterior faces stay cool. This unit is a great solution for any wall that needs state-of-the-art updating. Get the look and feel of a conventional fireplace without a chimney, smoke, or remodeling. Number 3. Energy savings. This unit can reduce your electric bill by using over 90% less energy than gas. It heats up quickly and has 2 heat setting options, so there is no need to pay the high cost of heating your entire home. Number 4. Specifications. Dimensions. 20 inches height, 60 inches width, 4.75 inches depth, 11.8 inches clearance needed if hung above or below the TV, and 1/4 inches clearance to floor. This 1,300-watt unit comes with a 6 feet cord and front flat tempered glass panel, 4,603.5 BTUs, and provides supplemental heat for up to 400 square feet, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.